Hi friends, today I'm going to present the information about an incredible solar system. Are you ready? Okay, come and join me to this journey. Our planetary system is located in an outer spiral arm of the Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system consists of our star, the Sun, and everything bound to it by gravity. The planets Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, and Neptune, Uranus and Neptune, dwarf planets such as Pluto, dozens of moons, and millions of asteroids, comets, and meteoroids. Beyond our own solar system, we have discovered thousands of planetary systems orbiting each other stars in the Milky Way. Why do we call it the solar system? There are many planetary systems like ours in the universe, with planets orbiting a host star. Our planetary system is named the solar system. This is because a sun is named Sol after the Latin word for sun, solis, and anything related to the sun we call solar. Our solar system extends much farther than the 8 planets orbit around the sun. The solar system also includes the Kuiper belt that lies past Neptune's orbit. This is a sparsely occupied ring of icy bodies, almost all smaller than the most popular Kuiper belt, dwarf planet Pluto. The Sun. The Sun is a star. This makes it extremely important for life on Earth. The Sun provides us with energy, which brings life on our planet. It defines the seasons, the currents, and even the sleep patterns of all living creatures on Earth. The Sun's average temperature is more than 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit. The Sun is 93 miles away from the Earth. Now we talk about the planet. There are more planets than stars in our galaxy. The current count orbiting our star, 8. The inner rocky planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. The outer planets are gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, and ice giants, Uranus, and Neptune. Beyond Neptune, a newer class of smaller worlds called dwarf planets, including longtime favorite Pluto. Thousands more planets have been discovered beyond our solar system. Scientists call them exoplanets. Exo means from outside. Mercury. Mercury is the smallest planet to our solar system. Just a little bit bigger than the Earth's moon. It is the closest planet to the sun, but it's actually not the hottest. Venus is hotter. A day on Mercury lasts 59 days, and a year on Mercury lasts 88 days. Venus is the second planet from Earth, and Earth's closest planetary on our planetary neighbor. Even though Mercury is closer to the Sun, Venus is the hottest planet in our solar system. Earth, our home planet. It is a rocky terrestrial planet. It has a soil and active surface with mountains, valleys, canyons, plains, and so much more. Earth is special because it is an ocean planet. Earth's atmosphere is made mostly of nitrogen and has plenty of oxygen for us to breathe. The atmosphere also protects us from meteoroids, most of which break up before they can hit the surface. A day on Earth lasts over 24 hours, and 1 year on Earth lasts 5.25 days. Earth has just only one moon. It is the only planet to just have one moon. Mars. Mars is a cold desert world. It is the half of size of Earth. Mars is sometimes called the red planet. Like Earth, Mars has seasons, polar ice caps, volcanoes, canyons, and weather. It has a very thin atmosphere made of carbon dioxide, nitrogen, and argon. These are signs of ancient floods on Mars, but now water mostly exists in icy dirt and thin clouds. On some Martian hillsides, there is evidence of liquid salty water in the ground. Jupiter. Jupiter is the biggest planet in our solar system. It's similar to a star, but it never combusted enough to start burning. Jupiter has rings, but they're very hard to see. One day of Jupiter goes in just by 10 hours and 1 year. It is not the same 11.8 Earth years. Saturn. Saturn isn't the only planet to have rings, but it definitely has the most beautiful ones. The rings we see are made of groups of tiny ringlets that surround Saturn. They're made of chunks of ice and rock. Like Jupiter, Saturn is mostly a ball of hydrogen and helium. Saturn has a lovely set of 7 main rings with spaces between them. Uranus. Uranus is made of water, methane, and ammonia fuels, about a small rocky center. Its atmosphere is made of hydrogen and helium like Jupiter and Saturn, but it also has methane. Uranus is surrounded by a set of 13 rings. 1 year of Uranus is the same as 84 years on Earth. That's a long time to wait for a birthday cake. Neptune. Neptune is dark, cold, and very windy. It's the last of the planets in our solar system. It's more than 40 times as far from the sun as Earth is. 1 day on Neptune goes by it with 16 hours. Neptune has such a long journey around the sun. It takes 165 Earth years to go around once. That's a long year. Dwarf planets. Pluto is categorized as a dwarf planet in 2006. Pluto was categorized with 3 other objects in the solar system that are small as size of Pluto: Ceres, Makemake, and Eris. These objects, along with Pluto, are much smaller than the other planets. I hope you enjoyed our trip around our solar system. Isn't it amazing, right? Goodbye, friends.